Hello everyone, this is Larry with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for today's tip, we want to talk about passwords. The most commonly used password is 123456. 1 in 142 people use this. The average password length that most people use is 9.48 characters. Only 12% of passwords include a special character. 29% used words found in dictionaries. 12% of passwords use only numbers. So overall, 42% of passwords are vulnerable to quick dictionary attacks. The 1,000 most common passwords are used 6.6% of the time. The 1 million most common passwords are used 36.28% of the time. It's a great time to check your passwords to make sure they're strong. We recommend minimum of 12 characters, more letters than anything else, with one number and one special case symbol. Have a great day. Stay safe out there.